Harley Quinn YouTube star, birth date December 14, 1987. Birth Cheng Sikataurus, birthplace England, age 36 years old. About dating coach and a social media personality who is best known for separated brand of product. She has a particular known for the being big an artist and a big future across online publication and the British television. She has been inspiration for Mars, one of the biggest online dating platform in the world. Before fame, she graduated from the University College London with a dual degree in English and physiology. She began ghostwriter for the various male pickup artists. Interest in the physiology beyond dating. Travel she has been regular. Cosmopolitan she has also maintained her own invest YouTube channel where she has known for post, socially expand and how to video on off. Her most popular video, Blonde vs. Blonde, has had more than 3 million total views since it is April 3, 2015 posted. Family life, she was born in Cornwall, England. She appeared on the BBC One reality competition. She is the Apprentice UK alongside this was Alan Sugar. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.